Okay guys, I want to talk about something that I have been searching for a lot on the internet and I see no videos about it. I am now currently recording with my GoPro and my DJI Mic Mini. So it works. I thought that was only possible with the Hero 13, the new version. And I recently bought a 12 right before the new version came out and I wasn't bothered to buy the new version, but I was a bit disappointed I couldn't pair any other microphone with the GoPro Hero 12 besides earbuds or buying a whole media mod. The GoPro Hero 12 works with DJI Mic Mini without the media mod and without the additional receiver that you get with the DJI Mic Mini, and without any other devices attached to it or cables. I have nothing on it at the moment, as you can see here. Maybe GoPro Hero 12 got a firm update or a software update or whatsoever, but I'm very happy to tell you guys that it worked. So I recently started a small YouTube channel about running. So I'm filming mainly with my GoPro Hero 12. I'm filming with my Sony ZV-E1 and I can now pair my mic with every device that I have without having to record my sound on different devices and then synchronize it. I can now just record it on whatever device I want, and it's a lot easier like that. So pairing this device is relatively easy. You open up and get out only the Mic Mini, you put on your GoPro Hero 12, you go down and to the right to the pairing menu, then you hold down the Bluetooth button on the Mic Mini and connect it to your GoPro, and that's the job done. One quick tip before using this is that you first turn on your GoPro so it has time to connect with the device and then press record. If you press record from your standby mode, it doesn't record the sound right away. But I think that's also the case with the earbuds. So take a note of that. And otherwise guys, if you like this video, then leave a thumbs up if it helps you, or if it finally got you convinced to buy a DJI Mic Mini. And yeah, if you are a runner by any chance, then go to my channel, watch my other videos, and have a good day guys. See you in the next video.